Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get the available system fonts which are present inside your Android OS using native Android technique. So here you can see that I have just created a native Android application. I'm using XML layout, but if you want, you can use Jetpack Compose as well. So the code to get so here you can see by default we have a text view right inside XML layout. Okay, so here you can see I have not applied any text, neither I have not applied any font, okay, to this text view, neither I have taken any font inside my res folder as well. So here you can see the font looks a little different. The reason is firstly I have initialized our text view over here, then I have taken this selected font typeface, and unfortunately this get available fonts is only present from Android Q. So here you can see you can't really use it before Android Q. So if you want to get system available fonts, you can just use system fonts dot get available fonts, and here I'm just looping over it. And if I show you the logs, okay, I'll have to run it again because Android Studio does not play nicely. So I'll quickly run it. Okay, so here you can see it is printing all the fonts which are present inside my device. So this inside my Android device. So this might vary depending on device to device, so be careful. So these are all the fonts. So here you can see like lot of fonts. So if a font which you use is already present inside your system level, you don't have to bundle it with your application. So that's the advantage. And here you can see I'm just checking if this particular font is present, then just create assign that to our selected font variable, change the text of our text view and assign this font to our text view. So that's what basically it does. So yeah, but if you don't want to apply dynamically to our text view, if you just want to get the available set of fonts, you can use this particular code. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.